Now what I will do first, I will make the link as trunk. I will make all the links as trunk link. So config terminal interface range Ethernet 0/0 to 2 switch port trunk encapsulation .1q switch port mode trunk switch port mode trunk. I've made this thing do show history. Okay, I have to give this same command. Okay, on switch 2 enable config terminal interface range Ethernet 0/0 to 1 switch port trunk encapsulation .1q switch port mode trunk. Okay, switch port mode trunk. I've made the ports trunk. Then what I have to do after making the port trunk, I have to create a VTP domain. I have to create a VTP domain. So what I will do, I will create a VTP domain on the switch 1, VTP domain CCNP. Suppose I gave name as CCNP. Okay, now you can configure other things also, but I don't need to configure. I don't want to configure other things. So what I will do, I will go on this switch and I will give the VTP config terminal VTP domain CCNP. Okay, I've created VTP domain on both the switches. Now the configuration of spanning tree starts over here. The spanning tree configuration starts over here. So what I've done, I have made both the links as trunk link, switch port mode trunk. I have made both the links as trunk link. And what I did, I on both the switches, I have made the links as trunk link. Then what I did, I have made a VTP domain as CCNP on both the switches. Now I will select, I will see show spanning tree. See, once I see show spanning tree over here, okay, I can get the spanning tree running over here is RSTP. RSTP. Spanning tree running over here is RSTP. Okay, so what I will do, I will go config terminal spanning tree mode MST. Spanning tree mode MST. Once I gave this command spanning tree mode MST, my spanning tree is running now MST. It is running multiple spanning tree. Then the next command that I have to give spanning tree MST configuration. MST configuration. See, once I give this command, my prompt came into config MST configuration mode. MST configuration mode. Now, what all things I'm having in this? I'm having these all things about exists, instance, name, no, private VLAN, revision, show. So what I told you, I have to create one revision number. So I will give the revision number as 1. See, I can give the revision number from 0 to 65,535. So what I will give the revision number as 1. Okay, on both the switches, these configurations should be same. These configurations should be same. Now what I will do, I will name the next thing. I will name this instance. I will name the revision number or instance, you can say. Name is CCNP. Name is CCNP that I have given already. Okay. Then I will create instance. Instance 1. Instance 1 will be for VLAN 10 and 20. Instance 1 will be for VLAN 10 and 20. Instance 2 will be for VLAN 30 and 40. Instance 2 will be for VLAN 30 and 40. Got it? So the same configuration I have to do on the another switch also. So I will go on switch 2. I will do the same configuration. So what I did, first I created spanning tree mode MST. Okay, then spanning tree MST configuration. I gave inside the configuration, then I gave the revision number as 1. Revision number I gave as 1, name is CCNP. Okay, instance 1 for VLAN 10 and 20. Instance 2 is for 30 and 40. Instance 2 is for 30 and 40. Correct? Now what I have to do? I will go in this switch and I will create some VLANs. I will create VLAN 10, VLAN 20, VLAN 30, and VLAN 40. I have created the VLANs. I will go in this switch 2 and I will see show VLAN. I got the VLANs. VLANs got synced 10, 20, 30, and 40. They got synced. Correct? Correct or not? Now what I can see in switch 1, I will go and see show spanning tree MST. Show spanning tree MST. Okay. Now, who is the root bridge? This switch for MST1. Show spanning tree root. Okay. The root bridge is, see, this is the common root bridge. For MST1, the root bridge is AABBCC 1000. AABBCC 1000. Okay. There is a common root bridge. Okay. There is a common root bridge. Show spanning tree bridge. Show spanning tree bridge. You can see the VLAN number also. You can see the priority, sorry, 32769, 32770, because it is for instance 2. Instance 2. Okay. Now, I have shown you this thing. See this output. And after the configuration, what will be the output you will be seeing. Okay. Now, what all command, what I can give, show spanning tree MST configuration. See what configuration I have done. I have given the name of MST as CCNP, revision number is 1. Okay, instance configured is 3. See, whatever instances, whatever I will be giving will be in the particular instance. I gave in instance 1, there will be 2 VLANs, 10 and 20. And in instance 2, 30 and 40. Rest all will be in instance 0. Instance 0 is by default. Instance 0 is by default instance. Okay, it will be a by default instance. So what command I have to give now? I have to go in switch 1 and what I will say, spanning tree MST1. For MST1, this route will be my primary. This bridge will be my primary for MST1. Okay, and for MST2, this will be my secondary. This will be my secondary. This will be my secondary. The same thing I have to go and give in the switch 2, spanning tree for MST1. For MST1, sorry, first I have to give MST2. This route is primary. For MST2, this route is primary. Okay, for MST1, this route is my secondary. Got it? Now let us check the configuration. Let us check the command. Show spanning tree MST. Would have given show spanning tree MST. See, MST1 mapped VLAN 2020. Bridge priority is this. This switch is for MST1. Okay, this switch is for MST1. Now see, show spanning tree route. See now over here, For MST1, I am having this as my root bridge, this as my root bridge. And for MST2, this is my secondary root, this is my root bridge. This is my root bridge for MST2. This is my root bridge for MST2. 2000 is my root bridge. The another switch is my root bridge. It is giving me the details. Previously, it was showing me the same thing. Bridge. See over here. See over here. MST1. This is my root bridge. This is my root bridge. Okay. Now I will go on this switch and I will check show spanning tree root. Show spanning tree root. See, for MST1, this is my root bridge and the cost, you can see the cost got increased automatically. The cost got increased automatically. Okay. And here, this is the switch for show spanning tree MST. MST2. Show spanning tree MST2. Okay, see this switch for MST2. This switch is for MST2. This switch is for MST2. Show spanning tree MST. All the MSTs, all the three MSTs. MST0. Now MST1. You can see this MST configuration. Who is the root bridge? Who is the bridge for MST1? Root bridge is this. Priority is 24577. And who is the bridge? What is this bridge? This bridge ID is this 2000 and the priority is secondary for MST1. For MST1, this is secondary. So the priority is 28673 and this has the lower priority because this is for MST1. This bridge is for MST1. Okay, when I go to MST2, see, bridge is this. This is my bridge. Priority is 24,578. This switch is for MST2. Understood what is MST, how MST works? We do not work on VLAN. We create instances of VLAN and we assign VLANs to each instances. We assign now whatever VLAN I will be creating, it will be inside the MST0 always. It will be inside the MST0 always. It will be inside the MST0 by default. Okay. So I have to add the instances. How I can add the instances? I have to give this command. Instance 1 VLAN. So and so VLAN. Okay, I have to give. See, these all commands, whatever I gave over here in the configuration, these all commands should be same in both the switches. They should be same in all the switches. Understood? Any doubt, guys?
No, sir.
Sure?